Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a bike rack with ramp. This one looks kind of similar like the one I shared with you guys a month ago, but this rack has some major upgrades. If you guys are interested in how to set this up, I do have a detailed video I shared a month ago how to assemble this. You guys can check it out in the description. Let's straight to the points. The major upgrade for this bike rack is called Easy Fold. The mechanism right here I'm going to show you. It's going to make the fold and unfold super easy. All you have to do is to disable this safety pin, just twist it, and then you are able to grab this handle and just pull up. So when you pull up, what happens in the bottom is there's a lever. It goes up. Once this lever sits in the groove, that's how this bike rack got unfolded. I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how quick to unfold and fold this bike rack. All you have to do is to remove the safety pin and release the hinge, and that's it. And when you want to fold it, go up, secure this pin. That's quick like that. It takes 1 second. Why this feature is important? Because a lot of times I need to get into my trunk, and the old way, how do I remove this pin? I can show you the video. So now I want to open this bike rack. Just put the pin in the back. And there's a hinge. You can just release it. After you fly this bike rack, you will get this bolt to go in. Sometimes it's kind of stuck. You just gotta wiggle the whole rack a little bit. It will just, at the end, eventually it will go inside, and then you can just lock it up. Sometimes it just takes a lot of time to do all these procedures. With this simple fold, unfold mechanism, I'm able to access my trunk in seconds. This rack also has a ramp. Instead of attached to the rack, now it's a separate piece. You can just unfold it, hook in, and this is how you can set up the ramp. After you're done, you can always put in the trunk or you can put in the back seats. One benefit about this, instead of dangling here, you don't hear that vibration noise, because sometimes you do hear the rattle noise from the ramp. And now I can just roll my bike on top. This bike rack also has a 3-point contacts. You got one secure the middle part of the bike, and then you got one kind of like a zip tie style, secure the front wheel. Another one, secure the rear wheel, and also with a stopper. So with all the safety precaution, make sure this is fully secured. The good thing about Tesla is you can still see a live rear view camera while you drive. So I can monitor the bicycle rack and also the bike. If anything happens, I'm able to see just from my screen right here. Here's a park, it's pretty empty here. Thinking about to unload the bike here and go for a ride. Alright, so here I got my ramp kept in the trunk. It's pretty easy that you can fold this and unfold it. Make sure to line this up, because when you roll the bike down, you don't want to go a wrong direction. For me, I like to unlock the front wheel first. then come to the rear wheel, just unlock it same way. And then I would come to the center section, this part. Once you let this go, the bike will just fall. So in one hand hold the bicycle, one hand loose this thing up. Alright, you can just drop this down. It's kind of on the way if it's on the track. So it depends on the situation. Sometimes I like to take this off. Definitely I would hold the brake while unloading this. Alright, there you go. Pick up the ramp. Back in the trunk. Unfold it, that's it. Simple like that. Alright, now let's go for a ride. Now I want to share with you guys my thoughts. After installing and testing this upgraded bike rack, I have to say I'm pretty impressed overall. The biggest improvement for me is definitely the folding mechanism. With my previous rack, folding it up or down took multiple steps and sometimes feel like a hassle. With this one, it's literally 1 second operation. Pull the handle, fold it up, and you are done. The convenience alone makes a huge difference if you are frequently loading and unloading bikes. Another thing I really like is the overall build quality. The rack feels solid, heavy duty, and well built. There isn't a lot of flex, and once everything is tightened down, it feels secure on the vehicle. The wheel tray are also nice and wide, which makes it suitable for fat tire bike and e-bikes, since e-bikes are getting heavier every year. Having a rack designed to handle that weight is important. I also appreciate how compact the rack becomes when folded. When you are not carrying bikes, it doesn't stick out nearly as much, which helps the parking and everyday driving. The loading process is straightforward, and the securing the bike is simple. I didn't find myself struggling with straps or complicating locking mechanisms. Everything feels intuitive and easy to use. For anyone transporting expensive e-bikes, stability is a major plus. During my testing, the rack held the bike securely and inspired confidence that it could handle longer road trips. Overall, this upgraded bike rack fixed a lot of small annoyances that I have experienced with other bike racks. The fast folding features, sturdy construction, e-bike compatibility, and a user-friendly design makes it a strong option for anyone looking for transport bikes without a lot of hassle. If you have been shopping for bike racks and want something that's easy to live with every day, this one is definitely worth considering. It's a pretty cool sunset right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll tag this product in the description. Make sure you guys use the promo code, can get discount. If you have any questions, leave in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.